Open it up. What is it?
Yes. So it's turning thing.
It's gears.
Let's see what's in it. Gears? Wow.
Yeah, you turn them and hook them together.
Yeah.
Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll play with them when we're all done.
I'm gonna plug it. When we're done,
Merry Christmas.
it's Christmas?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Pick another gift.
Oh, someone got me. Come put it in there. Put it up here.
Oh, okay. Did I put another spot? Oh, careful, bud. Careful.
Gotta be careful.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
So you don't drop.
Okay, you grabbing another gift?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, you going to be over there now?
Over here. I mean, these ones over here too.
Where are you gonna go with them?
Over here. Drop it over here. Drop it here.
Moving, kiddo. Keep moving.
There. I moved. There. I moved everything. I love these. Look, I got them up. Huh? I already have this book.
Let's see, what book is it?
Huh?
Oh, you don't have that one. You have the reading one. That's the glasses. It says glasses for DW.
Yeah.
You don't have that one?
No.
No.
I have one.
You have another one just like it.
Yeah. I need it.
We'll put them away when you're all done.
I want this one.
Okay, throw your paper on the ground.
I have two.
Yeah, now you have 2 Arthur books.
Yay! I want two. One.
Okay.
Not two Arthur books. Is it going to be one more chocolate? This guy.
What is it?
This guy's find her baby.
It says brave little fox.
Got to find her baby.
The fox is looking for her babies?
Yeah.
I think the fox is a baby.
He's not. She's too long.
Oh.
She's too long. She needs her
She's
baby.
the mom? Yeah.
She needs her baby.
Oh, okay.
She knows how her baby.
Uh-oh.
She wants her baby. Yeah.
Okay.
The mom wants her baby's back. She doesn't have her baby. Yeah? They actually are eating them.
Mm.
Not fox has to save her? Not fox has to save her baby?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Where?
It says the iBook.
Yeah, that's what I have at home. That's what I have in the iBook. The other book has eyes too.
Oh, yeah?
Our book has eyes. Scary. 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 They're so scary in the dark.
A little scary in the dark?
So her friends, so his friends to keep safe.
Oh.
But they're monsters.
Oh, no.
They're not, but they're still happy.
Good.
They're happy.
They're happy monsters?
Yeah.
Good.
Not yet. What is this one?
I don't know. Let me see it. Says the early bird.
Yeah. The sun goes down, it will rise.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to rise. It's going down. And he goes in the dark. He'll go in the dark.
Uh-oh.
That's scary.
Mm-hmm.
Is it scary?
I don't think it's a scary book, but we can read it.
Yeah. So bunny looks scary. The bunny looks scary.
The bunny book's scary?
Yeah. Yeah. What is this book?
Let me see it. The A book.
Yeah. And this gonna go up here. They go up. These gonna go this way.
Yeah?
These gonna go here. These ants are big.
Are they big ants?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they
Do
big?
ants start with the letter A?
Are they big?
Mm-hmm.
They're a little small. That's them.
Do you want me to bring you another present?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I need some more presents. More presents.
More presents, huh?
Yeah.
Please?
Please, more presents. What's that? The same. They could get tape there.
Yeah, the tape was kind of peeling up on that one, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. I will take off it. Do we
Yeah, you gotta open it.
take the tape off? Let's see what it is. What is it? This is peeling off. The book? Is it not?
Pull the paper off of it.
It's giant.
It's a giant book.
Yeah.
It says Little Critters Christmas Book.
Yeah.
Cool. Put it with the rest of your books and see what else you got.
Is it a book?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a scary book?
I don't think so.
I think so. Huh?
Oh, it's Bob books. Those are good for learning how to read.
Yeah. I learned. I have to learn
Yeah.
reading. I need to learn.
Yes, you can learn how to read.
Yeah.
Cool.
I learn reading.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you do.
Yeah.
Read.
That's what you have to do. That's what big boys do. They learn how to read.
Yeah. No, baby, don't.
No, babies don't read.
I do. You read a book.
Mm-hmm.
You read big books. Yeah. Then teach us.
Ooh, there's another one.
I need more.
Please.
Please. One more. I'll give